In this video, we're going to take a look at our RF360. This was our original switch product. The ergonomic T-shaped design fits comfortably in your hand during driving and gives easy access to all of the buttons. The buttons for this device, you have 2 on the top and then 2 on each side. When holding the RF360 during driving, your fingers fall right on the buttons. The 2 on the top are certainly the most accessible, and we would recommend putting your most common functions on those 2 buttons. The RF360 has a soft overmold feel and finish. This device has been set up with the standard 6 functions: blinkers, horn, wipe, wash and dimmer for this Chrysler Pacifica. Like all our secondaries, it uses a clamshell spinner knob base to attach to the steering wheel. While this RF360 is set up with a standard 6, we can do more than 6 functions if required, and different functions are available as well. Thank you for watching the video today on our Switch product. There are a variety of different options, so please feel free to watch all the videos in this series. You can also reach out to us here at Grip or one of our local dealers for more information.